Today, we dive into the Canon EOS Rebel T6i Video Creator Kit, a true marvel in the world of photography and videography. This kit comes equipped with the Canon EOS Rebel T6i DSLR camera, featuring a high-resolution 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor that delivers crisp, clear, and natural-looking photographs. The advanced EOS scene analysis system ensures that your camera settings are automatically adjusted for top-notch photos in various scenarios, from landscapes to sports and portraits, even in challenging lighting conditions. One standout feature of this kit is the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, making it a breeze to share your captured moments seamlessly. Whether you're sharing photos, movies, or videos, the NFC connectivity allows easy pairing with compatible Android devices and connects effortlessly to Canon's Connect Station CS100 device. The convenience of wireless sharing adds a layer of versatility to your creative process. Not just limited to stunning photos, the Canon EOS Rebel T6i is also a capable video recorder. With the push of a button, you can capture full EOS Full HD video, and the automatic wind noise elimination feature ensures that your audio remains crystal clear, even in windy conditions. This makes it an excellent choice for content creators and videographers alike. In this bundle, you also get the Rode VideoMic Pro Compact VMP Shotgun microphone, enhancing your audio recording capabilities. Paired with the SanDisk 32GB Ultra UHSI Class 10 SDHC memory card, you have ample space to store your high-quality photos and videos. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel T6i Video Creator Kit is a comprehensive solution for both photographers and videographers, offering advanced features, wireless connectivity, and top-notch performance. Stay tuned as we explore its capabilities in detail, giving you a closer look at what makes this kit a standout choice in the world of digital imaging. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.